give the value of A if 4AB is equal to 20 and B is equal to 5. Is it A0, B1, C2, D3? Directly substitute mo lang ang B sa original equation. Ang original equation mo is 4A, B is equal to 20. Ano daw ang value niya kapag B is 5? So naturally, isa-substitute mo lang ang B dito. So you will have 4A times 5 is equal to 20. 20, ayan. Say 5 times 4A, kapag nag-multiply pala kayo nito ha, ito lang number ang i-multiply nyo. Okay? Ito lang. Ito lang ang numbers lang kasi walang variable dito. So this is 20A is equal to 20. And then, to simplify, kailangan ang isang side ng equation ay variable lang ang matira. So, i-divide mo to by 20. Sa kabila, i-divide mo rin by 20 such that makakancel mo to kasi 20 over 20 is 1. 1A is also equal to A. Tandaan nyo yan. Ayan. So, this is equal to A is equal to 20 over 20 is equal to 1. Kaya ang tamang sagot, tama po ang taong bayan. Letter B nga po ang tamang sagot.